1017 Eaton Street. As you notice, beautiful lush landscaping. Look around and you'll see this beautiful lush landscaping. 1017 Eaton. To get to the yard, to the private yard, you have combination lock. It's well protected on both sides. Fully redone. Nice sitting area out here. So silence abounds. Bathroom. Nice sitting area, beautiful TV. Kitchen, wide open and close to the rest of the living area. Beautiful stairs. First bedroom. Bathroom. Flows through to her office. An exercise room, can easily be a bedroom. Second bathroom up here. Master bedroom. Notice the high ceilings, 10-foot ceilings downstairs and 10-foot ceilings upstairs. And then the incredible porches. You got a porch, wide porch out here. And it wraps all the way around. All the way to the back. Master bedroom door right there. Huge yard with private entrance. You can bring your cars back in there. A separate door to come in and out of. And room for a pool. Plenty of space for whatever you want to do back here. From your kitchen, you can step outside. Again, more beautiful, lush landscaping with sprinklers and lighting. And when you have guests come and visit, they have their own place to stay. Or you can rent it out. Not that I would, but you could, because it's got a full kitchen with a refrigerator and an ice maker and a full bathroom. All done tastefully in Key West style. Also high ceilings, 10-foot ceilings here as well. Big yard. Beautiful house with plenty of room to expand or add a pool. Have plenty of parking spaces for golf carts, cars, whatever you need. It's all here. 1017 Eaton Street.